Hey you guys, welcome back to Journeys with Jay. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I achieved these nails using some new gel extensions from Novo, as well as some polishes from my Model 1's Gel Mini Salon. If you guys want to see how I did this, then please continue to watch. The nail tips I'm using today by Novo are going to be their medium square. Just to show you guys what these look like outside of the package, I have one right here, and as you can see, the cuticle is pre-buffed because it is thinner in that area to make sure that the extension is more flushed. I'm starting off with applying my Model 1's Nail Prep Dehydrator to my natural nails. I have already pre-buffed all of them. Now I'm following that up with my Model 1's nail primer. If you guys have seen my videos before, you know I like to go in and chemically etch the inside of the extensions with my nail dehydrator. To apply the extensions today, I'm using my Creations Gel Soft Tip Extend Gel. I like to apply a generous layer of this product onto the extension, and then I just put a little additional product at the base of the nail by the cuticle area. We then apply it at a 45-degree angle, allowing that glue to flow forward, and then flash cure it for 30 seconds. In most cases, if I have a little bit of spillage, I try to quickly go in and clean that up before it cures onto the skin. Okay, and this is what the extensions are looking like once I've had all of them applied. Again, they are only flash cured, so I still need to go in and cure them for 60 seconds. But can you guys see that cuticle area? How nice and flushed that is. We've not gone in with acetone or a drill or anything like that. I also like that the cuticle area isn't super square. It's really nice and naturally rounded. So yeah, I'm really enjoying these so far. Now we're going to cure all the nails for 60 seconds. For the lamp, I'm going to go in with my little sponge file and just lightly remove the shine from the nails. So the cuticle of these nails are already pretty thin, but I'm just gonna go in with my mini sanding band to really clean up that cuticle area. Cut my E-file onto like a 1 any higher than that. And I'm just lightly cleaning around that cuticle, making sure that everything is nice and flushed. So for my nails today, I've really been loving the gel polishes out of the Gel Mini Salon, and I have not seen them outside of the little mini nail salon, so that's what we're using today. I'm going to go in with my Model 1's base coat. I'm going to take some acetone in a little dipping dish with a flat brush, and you just really want to clean around the nail to ensure that you don't have any polish on the skin. And then I'm going to go ahead and cure the nails for 60 seconds. So for my overall color today, I'm going in with this gel nail polish out of the Gel Mini Salon, and this is Quartzo Rose. I think it's Quartzo Rose, but it's Quartz Rose. And this is a really, really pretty natural color. I was gonna go in with something vibrant, but I'm like, I kind of want something really cute and soft. So let's go ahead and apply this color. See, they put like really good colors in these kits, but but I truly wish that they had these individually as well in the bigger sizes, because I mean, like, look at that. That is so pretty. I like that it's not too warm. It looks so good. Thinking about doing probably 2 coats of this polish on all of the nails. Go ahead and cure this for 60 seconds. And then going ahead and curing it for 60 seconds. Now that we have our gel polish applied, I did do 2 coats. We are going to go ahead and apply the top coat from the Mini Gel Salon as well. I'm going to go ahead and apply some cuticle oil. Okay, you guys, this is going to be the final look. I really love this color, and the nail tips are really strong, very sturdy. I love the structure of them and how they made their gel extensions. I still feel like the cuticle area is nice and thin, which is very important when it comes to gel extensions in general. You don't want something that's too thick and bulky, especially around that cuticle area. But I'm really enjoying these nails as well as this gel polish. Let me know what you guys would like to see next in the comments. Don't forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao.